Hello my dear friends, welcome to Recyclebintech channel. Today we are going to see how to install Windows 11 on Mac M1 M2 series. These are some screens which I added for downloading the purpose, and the link will be attached on the description. And the next screen is like an UTM, and UTM is the main software which we are going to install the Windows 11 to install the Windows 11 supportive. So download this UTM, and after download and installation the screen will appear like this. You can just select that plus symbol over there and select the virtual, and you can see here Mac OS, Windows, Linux, etc. We are going to select Windows, and this just increase the RAM. It will be default like 4, just increase to like 8 like that, and default. From here we are going to select the path. This is previously we have downloaded Windows 11 ARM. It will be in the folder download. You can select ARM 64. That only will support for the installation. Normal Windows 11, while you download the ISO file, it won't support. And below that option it must be ticked for downloading automatic drivers for this M1 M2 series. So it will support for the installation your basic drivers. From here we have to set the uh, installation space. Means according to me, please keep like above 150 100, so it will be good for you. And after that you just select the like after connecting the drive or something, you want to like store directly to the section to that screen. So from here which we have done everything. So what are the things you can see previously we have done on that, all it will be shown here. After that, if you want any changes, you can go back or you can give the select next, and it will be automatically creating that virtual machine. After that you can just select the play button. While you select the play button, it will normally like a booting like Windows installation. If normal Windows 7 if you are selected, it won't continue properly. If you have to select Windows 11 ARM 64 or 32-bit, up to you. After that selecting ARM, the installation will be like a normal installation. Installing Windows 11 on like a Dell or HP, like those laptops, the installation is normal. Means just we had to wait till that partition, because some of the person maybe create the partition from there, delete the partition. So I will tell you if there is any changes on that. We are mostly we are not going to change anything over here. And main thing, you must download ARM 64 only. So the link will be attached on the description, and the UTM file downloading link also will be attached on the description. So it will be easy for you to directly select that link and download the application. And this we are going to select as it's same like a normal, and I don't have the product key, later you can activate. So, and from here we are going to select Windows 11 Pro and next. So the installation will be continued same like the Windows we are installing on the HP and Dell, etc. So you see 150 GB we have selected. From there the same space will be shown here. Just select and continue as it is, and you have to wait till the procedure to be completed. It will take little time for the installation. We have to wait. And I said you in this M1 and M2 and M3 series Windows, we are going to install like UTM by the support of UTM, like a virtual installation. And in the previous, mostly the Windows installation will be done through the boot camp, and you cannot find on M1 M2 series boot camp. And while we are selecting that path for Windows 11 ARM, below that tick I said the tick must be enabled. If it's not enabled, the supportive drivers won't be downloaded. So it will be difficult for you after the installation of Windows 11 for supporting Wi-Fi, speaker, display driver, etc. So always try to keep that tick enable as same like in boot camp, which some of the person who previously installed the through by the boot camp, they can see the first time if you are installing. So you just follow like this method, and now almost the installation is completed. After completing the installation, just connect the internet, and you have to wait. It will be automatically, all the drivers installation screen will be appear. Just you can select next, next, next for continue the installation of basic drivers, as I said before, you like a network, sound, etc. And after completing this, you can see just the installation is running. And after completing this installation, just click that my computer. After selecting the my computer, in the below only the one drive it's showing. After just restarting, it will show like a network sharing. Sharing means that the drive from the Mac, it will show on the Windows like a network sharing. So whatever the files you want from the Mac, you can take from there. So this is how to install the video. If you like the video, this is how to install the Windows. If you like this video, please support and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, see you.